Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wheatgrass juice. First, ensure your wheatgrass is fresh and vibrant green, ideally harvested when it reaches 6 to 8 inches in height. Carefully rinse the grass under cool, running water to remove any soil or impurities. Next, prepare your juicer. A slow masticating juicer is highly recommended as it extracts more juice and preserves nutrients better than centrifugal models. This careful preparation ensures a clean and potent juice. Now, let's move on to extracting that vibrant green juice. Begin by cutting your clean wheatgrass into smaller, 1-inch to 2-inch segments. This step is crucial to prevent the long strands from tangling inside your juicer, ensuring a smooth operation. Slowly feed these small pieces into the juicer's chute, a little at a time. Use the tamper provided with your machine gently to guide the grass down, maintaining a consistent and efficient juicing process. Once your wheatgrass juice is extracted, it's best to enjoy it right away. Freshly pressed juice offers the highest concentration of enzymes and nutrients. If you must store it, pour the juice into an airtight container, ensuring it's filled to the brim to minimize air exposure. Seal it tightly and refrigerate immediately. For optimal quality and potency, aim to consume any stored juice within 24 hours. Here are a few tips to enhance your wheatgrass juice experience. If you're new to wheatgrass, begin with a small serving of just 1 or 2 ounces and slowly increase the amount as your body adjusts. For a more pleasant taste, try adding a tiny piece of apple or ginger during the juicing process. Remember, wheatgrass juice is packed with beneficial vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, contributing significantly to your overall health and vitality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.